Design is a cohesive flow of all elements in a space.
Design is solving problems.
Design for me is kind of like a living, breathing, constantly changing form of art.
Design is much bigger than fluffing the pillow or picking the color. Design is truly shaping the world around you.
Is helping people.
Design is everything.
The MATC Student Design Lab is a partnership in collaboration with National Business Furniture, where students will participate in a class and partially on site at NBF with their staff of designers, salespeople, marketing, and management.
One thing that I've learned through our partnership with NBF is that it takes a team of experts to make a champion.
It is really encouraging to work with professionals that will help you to come out with a better solution for the project that you are working on.
In the classroom, we take time looking at the technical responsibility of commercial design. When we're on site at NBF, it's handling the true professional industry specifics.
It helps them understand furniture in a real world experience, which is actually very interesting because in the student world, you don't get being able to actually physically see and touch the furniture.
The instructors have been great. They're very helpful. They will stop whatever they're doing to make sure that your needs are met and that you fully understand what you're doing, and that's important.
Part of the process is students understanding how to present their design solutions, whether it's to a client or in an interview setting, and they build presentation boards as well as documentation. NBF has been amazing in providing us the resources to build those boards. They provide us with CAD symbols of the furniture pieces to put into a floor plan or a finished drawing. And they've also really coached the students in some of the other nuances that we just can't get to in a typical class period.
Having the opportunity to have real life hands-on experience throughout the program beats any textbook you could possibly pick up.
This type of program gives students the confidence to move forward in their career choice. It allows them to jump into the job market knowing they've already had their feet on the ground in a corporate environment.
My time at MATC and NBF has prepared me for future challenges by giving me the confidence that I need to move forward.
Attending MATC is worth it. It's a good investment for your future and your professional education.
I most definitely would recommend this program, MATC, and the partnership that they have with NBF to any students or any individuals coming into interior design because it is really, really helpful.